Okay guys, so I've decided to make a couple of videos. Maybe they will be each week or once a month, I'm not sure yet. Maybe they will happen when they happen. So I'll review some of the knives that I carry the most. As you can see, I'm in my workshop doing some polishing of these hand polished titanium kraken, the mystic mermaid, the new design. I've grinded prybar just now. A couple of items are patinating right now in secret buff I'm making. Yeah, this heat colored kraken, nice colors, I think, really nice colors. And patinated hammered kraken also, really nice blue patina on that. So the knife I will be reviewing today is this one. This is the cold steel thin wolf folding knife, because cold steel have a fixed version of that knife. This is the folding knife. So I won't be taking your time with some specs. All of you can check the specs in the website of Cold Steel or in the major blade websites. But here are a couple of words from me. So the blade is relatively thick. It is mostly for bushcrafting and some light wood chopping maybe. The steel, as you can see, is Ausate A. It is Japanese. Not premium, but let's say medium steel. It's made in Taiwan. The build is nice because I have it from maybe 1 year now, and it really doesn't have a blade play, because maybe it has the innovative 3-add lock, which is a patent from Cold Steel. It is maybe the most reliable lock, I think, the 3-add lock. You can check it. It is really nice. It has 3 pins which are preventing the blade to go somewhere where it can hurt you. The pocket clip is one thing that I don't like, because I mostly carry in the cities, urban carry, and this part is visible. The handles are made from Greavex. It's not a G10, it's not other type of plastic, it's ZDF. My mistake, it's Greavex. It's really nice, it's light and it has a lot of grip on it. As you can see, it's walk back. It's traditional puko design. Puko are the traditional knives in the Scandinavia. You can unscrew this thumbstat and sharpen it on hand just like a normal puko knife, which is cool. I think 20 degrees on the blading are perfect. I haven't sharpened it yet because I mostly use it for light stuff, but it has some chips on the blade because I've cut some wires with it. It's great knife. It's really lightweight and I like it because it's Scandinavian style. I think the designer is Demko, not sure, you can check it. This is my thoughts on the Cold Steel folding thin wolf knife. Have a nice one, guys. Please comment, share and subscribe.